Good morning. I cook a snack for my son to school. I put an air fryer like this. There you go. It's a chicken fries. My son loved this. Oops. Can't turn it on. Yes. I'm done to cook. I put on the air fryer. This is a chicken fries. It's perfectly cooked. No oil, no grease. Perfect. Good for the kid. Ready, guys? Hi, Daniel. Good morning. Say good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Ate. Let's go. Ready to school? Oh my God. Let's go. Hi, Daniel. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Now?
Yeah, we're going to school. They're excited. Let's go. Ate, hurry up. Yes. Oh my God. Wow. Ready, guys? Let's go. Uy! You're ready. What are you vlogging doing here? Your mommy bring it? Good job. You're comfy. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, Danielle. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go. Go to school. Okay, let's go. Everybody's ready. Let's go. Bye, Danielle. Let's go.